to my channel. I am Trish, the Purple Yarnivore. Good evening, or at least right now it's evening time. My channel is a channel about crochet, all things yarn, maybe some stitch markers here and there, some patterns, and yeah. So welcome to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my returning subscribers. I am so happy to have you here. I appreciate you guys being a part of my channel so much. So the first thing I wanted to talk about just briefly is the 3-color challenge. Now, as I said in the video where I introduced the 3-color challenge, the very foundation of the 3-color challenge started with Mrs. Hootie Hootenin. It was a giveaway she was having, and I decided to take that challenge to a whole other level with her permission, and I kind of made it my own. And I am just so really surprised by how far and wide it is spread, and some of the YouTubers that I've seen take on that challenge. So I just want to thank everybody who watches my channel, who has participated in the 3-color challenge. Thank you. I appreciate you participating and making this such a fun and creative opportunity. On to the next thing. So this video is about my Merry Maxim Crochet Club this time. I have the crochet and the knit clubs. I've already featured my knit club for the month. Now I have received my crochet club, and I am going to show it to you. But first, I want to show you guys my t-shirt. You know I'm all about peace, love, and crochet. Check this out. When hate is loud, love must not be silent. I actually got this shirt like a year ago, and then it got lost. I don't know. I think my apartment ate it for a while and then spit it out here within the past couple weeks. But I really missed my t-shirt, and I think it has such an awesome and positive message. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. I got it on Amazon. So I'm sure if you were to type t-shirts and then what this says, you'll find a vendor on there that sells these t-shirts. Anyway, on to the crochet club. So this month, I was really happy with the club. This month, they only sent one project, which is fine. When they send 2 projects in one club, it's like a bonus, you know? So the pattern for the crochet club this month is wrap or scarf, Merry Maxim wrap or scarf. And that's what it looks like. And there's another picture on here that makes it even more beautiful. So this is the pattern. I really love it. I'm kind of excited to get started on this. Now, I have to be honest with you. I love the knit and crochet clubs, okay? I'm a strong advocate for them. I've never been disappointed. And the only problem I have with them is that I can't keep up with them, because I have so many personal projects and ideas that I'm working on that I kind of just toss them in the closet. So I don't know. I might give away some of them in giveaways or what have you, but this is one that I actually want to do. So let me tell you about the yarn. So I got 4 balls of this Euro Baby Maypole DK. And I'll tell you about the yarn. It's called Maypole DK, but it's classified as a 4 medium weight. I thought that was kind of strange, but yeah, it's definitely a 4 weight. it is kind of this twisted yarn. It's not really, I don't really want to call it a boucle, but it's got a twist to it. As you can see, it's got a twist. And it is 262 yards, 100% polyester. It recommends anywhere between an I9 and a K10 crochet hook. Let's see, does it show where it was made? Made in China for Euro yarns. And it came with the color Hot Rose. So it's got like some oranges and yellows and pinks and different shades of blue. And it is so pretty. Look at that. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. And I got 4 balls of it. So I got the 3 here in the bag and then this one. And it is soft. I don't know if they make this yarn anymore, but it is soft. It is very nice. And I'm really looking forward to making this wrap. This wrap is 13 by 80 inches. And let's see, I've seen this pattern before, this stitch pattern. So yeah, it's very easy to make. The pattern actually uses an I9. It requires an I9 hook and 4 balls of this yarn. So yeah, it is so pretty. It is so pretty. I'm going to get started on this here soon. I got some stuff coming up, so I got to fit this in somewhere. It is so pretty. But all 4 balls are like this. Like, you can just get right in there. It's got some purples and pinks. I don't know. It's like just every color you can imagine is in there. Well, no green. I don't know. It's just so very pretty. And it does feel like polyester. It really does. But it's soft and it's squishy, you know. Maypole DK. Have you guys ever heard of this Euro baby? Have you ever used the Maypole DK 4-weight yarn? One more thing. Your eyes are not deceiving you. Check this out. So I got a haircut, okay? Excuse me. I got a haircut and it was really weird at first. I almost started crying in the hairdresser's chair because here's the thing. I wanted something different. My hair was just long. It was all straight. And I just looked in the mirror one day and I'm like, ugh, you know, I need something different. I need something to make me feel sparky. I need a change. So, I did it. I went to Google and I looked up all kinds of hairstyles and I took screenshots of the ones that I really liked. And I showed them to the hairdresser and I said, now this is just a foundation, okay, these styles. And they're just a foundation, okay? So you take this foundation and you build on it and just do anything with my hair. Do whatever you want. You are a hair artist and I want you to make this haircut your own. You have free reign. Just keep it at a certain length and go crazy. And the haircut, it was a shag haircut, okay? So my hair, she cut about 10 to 12 inches off. I started tearing up in the chair and I'm just just like, don't do it, don't cry, you know. But she told me, even though I have fine hair, I have a lot of hair, which is good because, you know, I don't want to go bald or anything anytime soon. So, but anyway, September 30th was my mom's birthday. And in short, because I don't want to go on and on about it, to be honest, I still have pain in my heart, but my mom died last year from COVID. She was in a nursing home, and she probably would have lived a lot longer, like most of the women in my family, but she contracted COVID, and she passed away from it. And then, less than 6 months later, my stepdad died from pneumonia. He had stage 4 prostate cancer, and we lost him too. So September 30th was my mom's birthday, and it was a rough day. So I haven't made a video for a little bit. If I've uploaded a video, it's because they were pre-recorded. So anyway, well, and the giveaway video, that was quick. That was really brief. But I really don't share a lot of my trials and tribulations because I just kind of feel like it's not your burden to carry, you know. And I always want to make sure you guys see the best of me. And that as this isn't a channel that's made for dumping on. Anyway, I am back. I am okay, and was happy to get my Mary Maxim. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. You guys stay safe, take care, do random acts of kindness, show compassion, and say I love you to your loved ones every day, because you never know when that might be the last time you say it. Just love each other, okay? We'll see you in the next video. Bye!